It's time for the toss. The men who matter are out here. Let's see. And heads it is. They have a strong batting lineup and want to set the total for the chasers. Sailed right into waiting hands. It's a sad walk back for the batsman. That's the first wicket down in this innings. He has to stick to his basics and not give away his wicket here. Gets a good reverse swing on that one. This is an absolute ripper of a ball. It has sent the bails flying all around. There's no quarter for the batsman. Another scalp collected. That's second wicket for him in a row. They lose another wicket in quick succession. Here's the new man. Sensational effort. He knows every run stopped counts. Nice. Catch. Got him with an easy catch in the end. Dismissed off his first ball. He just has to stick to the basics and play his natural game here. A beautiful delivery, and it swings through the line. Gets a good reverse swing on that one. Was that? He jumps back to safety. Was he in time? The bails glow. It could be close here. They lose another wicket in quick succession. A new batsman walking in. Hope he can save his team's hopes. It looks like we're in for a real thunderstorm as another pacer takes over. What a cracking start. A boundary off his first encounter. One more notch on his belt. Good single. There's the light at the end of that long tunnel of singles. A solid four. The ball has pierced the fielders all the way. No slips for this fielder. He holds onto it for dear life. Great catch. It's an all-out attack as another speedster charges up to the wicket. Gets a good reverse swing on that one. Such a neat dismissal. Fantastic delivery. The pressure seems to be building here for the batting team. The dry spell ends with that refreshing four. With a hop, skip and a jump of the ropes. Four to the batsman to peel from the bowler. But the umpire isn't convinced. He turns. Unbelievable stuff from the fielder. The crowd's gone berserk. Poor running between the wickets. He needs to stay on and finish not out. It's the deuce run, but will the batsman fall for it? That's given out by the umpire. The batsman's going to ask to review that decision. A really special innings. He's hit it badly. He's hit it high. He didn't learn that novelty from the coach. A deadly kiss goodbye to the bowler's last ball. Farewell by four. Time for some spin now. An off-spinner comes into the attack. A change of sides requested by the bowler. He's on to sensational effort in the field there. He makes a perfect throw to return the ball close to the stumps. And he's gone for the deuce run, but is it enough? making the batsman fight for every run. The bats. There's no cricket pitch on earth that could contain that one. That's beautifully swept by the batsman. Looks like he's sending a message to the bowler. First ball boundary. It's slogged to deep mid-wicket region with some power hitting. Just the one off that ball. That attack wasn't just meant for the stumps. What a body shot! He's absolutely obliterated that one. They'll be hunting for that one in the audience. He opens his account in style with a boundary. He bends, and it's a paddle sweep down the leg side. A fielder is getting ready to get a hold of it. Gracefully pulled down the leg side. He never saw that catch coming. The striker shuffles back to the pavilion. A new batsman walking in. Hope he can save his team's hopes. One bounce before the boundary line. Will he make it 3 boundaries in a row here? Oh, what a delivery! The crowd is straining to follow that one. What a stunner! He's on his knee, sweeping the bowler off their feet. And that's a 6, a massive one. The batsman hooks and makes good contact with the ball. It's well on its way. There's nothing on earth that can stop that. He finishes the innings in style with that 6. An edge-of-the-seat contest from start to finish. Great show by both teams, but congratulations to the winners.